get you a dome cap, make you a headband wig, and slay. Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Yes, y'all, your girl is feeling good, feeling great. Feeling great, feeling good. How are you? Yes. God is good. Today's video is a little bit different today. I'm actually so excited for this collaboration. I never thought, I would do something like this, but it's just amazing how the blessings pour in. Today's video is sponsored by the one and only Shake and Go, aka Freetress. Yes! All of that information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the links to all the items that I'm using in today's video. All right, so they reached out to me and they was like, Shanise Nicole, girl, can you make a headband wig? And I said, who, me? And they said, yes, you. And I said, okay. I will be making my very own headband wig with their headband dome cap. Yeah, I said that right. I will be using their Freetress headband wig dome cap. You can create a quick and easy DIY headband wig in no time. And it also says that it's a cooling headband. Okay, that sounds cool. Okay, Freetress. All right, so it does come with 3 combs. And it also comes with the Velcro and the strap, and so you can adjust it. So this is what it's looking like. And I'm going to open this one up and we're going to take a look at it. I will be using hair that they sent me. Okay, they sent me 30 inches. I'll be using the Organique Breezy Wave, the Master Mix. It comes, like I said, it's 30 inches. And this is what it's looking like. So, you get like a little body wave. All right, y'all. So let's get into making this headband wig. I just wanted to show you guys what the wig cap looked like on my head during the middle of the construction of the wig. As you can see in the video, as I'm installing the tracks, I'm putting them like a U shape. But now when I'm going to the top, I'm going to lay them across so it can be flat. My hair is flat underneath the wig cap, so it's fitting nicely. It's not too snug, it's not too loose. It feels so good. It's so comfortable. Y'all, I am loving this. I never thought, I would make my own headband wig, but here we are. Yo, they gave me 30 inches. 30-inch weave with the long eyelashes. Yes, I got a man. If I don't like who has to now stand outside, because I'm too outstanding. Yo, this is my first headband wig. Like, girl, get into it. Yes, Freetress. Yes. Yo. I'm just so excited. All right, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my makeup. And then I'm going to come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Then we're going to wrap this video on up, baby. Yes, to the booty weave and the pink and green. But y'all, I am back after making my very own headband wig. I'm just really shocked because I never thought to make my own headband wig. It's just something that never crossed my mind until Freetress reached out to me. But I'm glad I did it, y'all. You can use this dome cap and use any hair that you want to. And y'all, you is popping. I really feel like I want to get some kinky curly tracks and like make a poppin' headband wig because it's so easy. It's so convenient. Like, yo, I'm just like geeking. I'm just speechless. I'm very proud of myself. Now, y'all know me. I'm not into really long hair, but this is the hair that they provided. And you know, it's really lightweight. You know, it's giving I'm going to the beach to show off these clappers type vibe. I'm just here for it. It's such a pretty look. I took my thumbnail pictures and I was just like, oh yeah, girl, you cute. Making your own headband wig is so easy, y'all, and it's also affordable. If you already have the bundles, you can just go to like Sam's Beauty, Wig Types, and go ahead and get you a dome cap, and boo, you good to go. They also wanted me to tell you guys about their Freetress headband crochet cap. I do have one, and y'all, I'm going to use it. If you've been following my channel since like the very beginning, y'all know I love me some crochet, especially when it comes to my girls. So I'm going to try this out for myself. You know, I might get some here and just play around with it. I feel like with this, you have so much versatility, like with the crochet cap or the dome cap. It's your choice, boo. Do you? It's your weave. I'm not showing any of my edges today because my hair is freshly braided. So I don't have no little hairs out, you know, like swoop-a-doop and all that. So I'm not showing any edges, but with a headband wig, you can show your edges, not show your edges. It's totally up to you. But making your own headband wig is a vibe. Like, why didn't nobody tell me? I didn't even think about making my own headband wig. Yo, I'm trying to deal with all this hair. So pardon me. When it comes to making your own headband wigs, I'm pretty sure there's some things that I could have did better, but it's all about trial and error. And if you mess up, you can take it off and do it again. And the wig caps are so cheap, you can just buy another one, okay? That's how we get good at what we do. Okay, and I'm speaking from like a content creator point of view, because people look at wig reviewers and they're like, oh my God, teach me how to slay like you. If I do it, it looks ugly. Listen, when we do stuff, it look ugly too. I know for me it does. Practice definitely makes perfect. And even if it's not perfect, at least you can say you tried. Like I tried, made a headband wig, and it was successful. It was successful, y'all. This is so cute. Like, you can't deny it. You can't deny it. I'm a wig rider. You don't want to mess with me. Got the skills to the sky, baby. I'm always rolling with G-O-D. Hey, because God is dope. I have nothing negative to say, y'all. Like, at all. There's nothing negative to say about something that you tried for the first time and it looks good. Like, wait, come on. Even if you won't tell me you look good, I'm gonna tell me I look good. You feel me? Because don't nobody gas you up better than you. Stop seeking validation and acceptance from other people when it all starts within you. Okay? Because I'm a bad chick, okay? This is sponsored, so you know I gotta be good. Yes, because I'm a hype girl. I do high-ish. Spend this income on my wig-ish. Yes, baby. Get you a dome cap, make you a headband wig, and slay. Purr. Once again, I would like to send a big thank you to Freetress for sponsoring today's video. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.